Well, today I'm outside Bryn, Maelor, which is a period residence immediately outside Coedpoeth, built originally in 1769 and extended further in 2005. Now this is a spacious property to say the least, with 5 bedrooms, 3 reception rooms and a whole host of original features. And what's really special about the property is in 2005 they extended to include an annex, a 1-bedroom annex, which would be ideal for a relative who requires that little bit of independence. Come and have a look with me inside.